And the congressional Democrats under skeleton Happy Halloween dog personalized shirt. Pelosi shared vision of the federal response to the crisis, and it was a fucking travesty. Corporations, wealthy investors, such as domestic caregivers, undocumented workers, sex workers, and freelance, contract, and off-the-books workers, are ignored completely. What do you think the hundreds of millions of dollars going to NASA and other organs are for? Besides administrative fees? Admit it, you don't know what was in the first bill. And you sure as hell didn't read the article, so you have no idea what's in the second one either. All you know is Reddit says one is good and the other is bad. So that's how you feel. Skeleton Happy Halloween dog personalized shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Of course, skeleton Happy Halloween dog personalized shirt. She always falls back on the claim that Democrat bills other products